Is withdrawing from Coinbase eating away at your crypto gains? Hey crypto fam! Let's face it, the fees associated with buying and selling crypto can feel like a constant battle. You finally snag that sweet dip, but then a chunk of your profit vanishes into thin air. Thanks, fees. But wait, there's more. Once you've built up a nice little crypto stack, you might want to move it off the exchange and into your own wallet for safekeeping. But guess what? Coinbase has fees for that too. So, the question is, how much exactly is Coinbase charging you to withdraw your hard-earned crypto? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. There are actually two main types of fees you might encounter when withdrawing from Coinbase. Coinbase fees. These are the fees that Coinbase itself charges for processing your withdrawal request. Network fees. These are separate fees that the underlying blockchain network charges to validate your transaction. Think of it like a toll booth on the crypto highway. The busier the network, the higher the toll. Here's the good news. Coinbase actually covers network fees for withdrawals of a specific cryptocurrency, USDC, across all supported networks. That's right, free withdrawals for USDC. This makes USDC a great option if you're looking for a stablecoin with low withdrawal fees. Alright, so what about other cryptocurrencies? For those, you'll be looking at a combination of Coinbase fees and network fees. Coinbase charges a flat fee depending on your chosen withdrawal method. For example, withdrawing USD via ACH transfer is free, while a wire transfer will set you back $25. Now, the network fees can be a bit more complex. These fees depend on the specific cryptocurrency you're withdrawing and the current traffic on the network. For instance, withdrawing Bitcoin, BTC, during peak hours can result in a higher network fee than withdrawing during a slower period. To help you estimate these network fees, Coinbase actually provides an estimated network fee during the withdrawal process. It's important to remember that this is just an estimate, and the final network fee could be slightly higher or lower depending on those factors we mentioned before. Here's a pro tip. If you're looking to minimize network fees, consider withdrawing during off-peak hours when the network is less congested. Alright, so we've covered the different types of fees and how to potentially minimize them. But where can you find the exact fee information for your specific withdrawal? Coinbase actually makes it pretty easy. When you initiate a withdrawal, you'll see a clear breakdown of both the Coinbase fee and the estimated network fee before you confirm the transaction. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about your withdrawals. Now, let's be honest, fees can be a drag. But remember, there are reasons behind them. Coinbase fees help cover the costs of running a secure and reliable platform, while network fees contribute to the smooth operation of the underlying blockchain technology. That said, staying informed about these fees is crucial for making the most of your crypto journey. By understanding the different types of fees and how to minimize them, you can ensure that more of your hard-earned crypto goes where it belongs, in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hodling.